GEICO MBI coverage features, strengths, weaknesses. GEICO's mechanical breakdown insurance, or MBI, is essentially an extended warranty, but often at a lower price point than what dealerships offer. It covers all parts and systems, but excludes maintenance items like oil changes, tires, and brakes, as well as cosmetic damage. A key feature is its availability for new or leased vehicles that are less than 15 months old with fewer than 15,000 miles. GEICO MBI is designed for drivers seeking long-term protection against unexpected mechanical failures beyond the manufacturer's warranty period, and particularly beneficial for those who plan to keep their vehicles for an extended time. One of the biggest strengths is its affordability. Premiums are typically added to your existing GEICO auto insurance policy, payable in monthly installments. This is unlike many extended warranties that require a large upfront payment. Another pro is the convenience of GEICO's established network of repair shops, streamlining the claims process. Furthermore, it often includes rental car reimbursement while your vehicle is being repaired. However, GEICO MBI has some notable weaknesses. Firstly, the age and mileage restrictions limit eligibility to relatively new vehicles. Secondly, the coverage isn't transferable if you sell the vehicle, diminishing its resale value benefit. Thirdly, it's only available in select states, limiting its accessibility for all GEICO customers. While the coverage is comprehensive, remember it doesn't cover everything, and understanding the exclusions is critical. A significant consideration is the potential overlap with manufacturer warranties or pre-existing warranties if you purchase the vehicle used. Is it worth it? That depends. If you're prone to keeping cars for a long time, driving high mileage, and live in a state where it's offered, GEICO MBI is a solid option for mitigating the risk of costly repairs. However, if you trade in your car frequently or have a vehicle with a strong manufacturer's warranty, the benefits may be minimal. Always compare MBI's coverage with other extended warranty options and your risk tolerance before making a decision. Carefully review the policy's terms and conditions, including the deductible, to fully understand the coverage and exclusions before committing. Ultimately, GEICO MBI provides peace of mind for mechanical breakdowns, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution.